Yes, so my country people, I throw away salute. Chelsea 3 and Luton Town 0. This one a comfortable win for Chelsea. 3 points, clean sheet for bag. I don't think say many Chelsea fans will get a lot of things to complain about this performance. Performance today from Chelsea now the Raheem Sterling show, because Chelsea fans where I don't talk with for the social media lifestyle, I don't mean they complain about Raheem Sterling saying him no they deliver and he's supposed to be one of the senior men for inside that Chelsea team. But today, 2 goals, 1 assist for Jackson goal. And talking about Jackson, I believe say when strikers score goal and in the assist, that one go dey boost the confidence. So personally, I think say this goal when Jackson don't score today against Luton Town go boost in confidence going into the next games for Chelsea. And also make we not forget about Chelsea big money signing Moses Caicedo will make him first start as a Chelsea player today for inside this game against Luton Town. Now, how you go rate Moses Caicedo performance for this game if you want rate him from 1 to 10? And also, make we talk about Chelsea manager Mauricio Pochettino. How you see the football where Chelsea they play under Mauricio Pochettino right now and the one where they play last season. You think, say, 3 matches into the season, we know say it's still early, but to you, any improvement there from Chelsea from last season and the Chelsea where you see so far under Mauricio Pochettino? Talk how you see them for the comment section of this video. And don't forget to share them with your friends and family. Bye-bye.